Although many medical conditions call for chemical drugs, their use should be under tight control due to possible side effects, drug combinations, and long-term health ramifications. Starting to use herbs as a replacement is therefore a wise decision. In this video, we will analyze the specific benefits of Astragalus for Chinese people's health, look at the scientific studies on it, and show home processing and preparation methods. Modern science now supports the root used in traditional Chinese medicine for 2,000 plus years. Long valued for its incredible health benefits, this herb is firmly rooted in Chinese society. From ancient times, Astragalus culture has been fairly important in medicine in China. Particularly valued in Chinese herbal therapy is Astragalus, commonly called as Huang Qi in Mandarin. For thousands of years, it has been nourished qi, life force, strengthening the body's defenses and promoting general health and longevity. Traditional Chinese medicine often recommends Astragalus for people suffering rundown, weariness, or weakness. It is believed to work by raising body's intrinsic energy and so promoting immune system balance. Astragalus is commonly taken as a tonic for persons who live in areas with extreme weather, including northern China, where the frigid winters can be physically exhausting. Its energy-boosting and warming qualities are supposed to protect from winter's detrimental effects. Let's explore more the particular advantages of Astragalus for the welfare of Chinese people. Number 1. Boosts the immune system. One of the most well-known for boosting immunity is Astragalus, popular in traditional Chinese medicine for shielding against colds and flu. It strengthens the body's natural defenses and can be especially helpful in China's shifting seasonal temperatures. Astragalus boosts the body's capacity to fight off infections and raises white blood cell production, according to a study written for phytotherapy research. Number 2. Promotes lung health. Many areas of China have poor air quality, hence respiratory health is a top priority. Astragalus has been demonstrated to help guard the lungs and enhance general respiratory performance. By lowering inflammation in the airways, a study done by experts in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine indicated that Astragalus might help ease bronchitis and asthma. Number 3. Support cardiovascular health. Astragalus improves cardiovascular health. Heart disease ranks as the main cause of death in China. Studies released in the Journal of Clinical Cardiology and other scientific studies point to Astragalus helping lower blood pressure, boost circulation, and ease inflammation in blood vessels. Particularly for those with high blood pressure or risk of heart disease, its cardioprotective qualities could make it helpful in supporting heart health. Number 4. Increase energy and fight tiredness. Astragalus is a fantastic herbal cure to fight tiredness for those in high-stress surroundings or extended work hours, including those in China's fast-paced metropolitan centers. Its adaptogenic qualities let the body control stress and keep energy levels. Astragalus supplementation was found in Chinese medicine to increase physical endurance and lower weariness in athletes, hence stressing its energizing properties. Number 5. Controls blood sugar. Astragalus has become a key herb for controlling blood sugar as diabetes rates in China climb. For those at risk of diabetes or those already under treatment, a study appearing in Frontiers in Pharmacology indicated that Astragalus can help control blood sugar levels and boost insulin sensitivity. Number 6. Liver detoxification and health. In many Chinese cities, pollution can tax the liver. Traditional Chinese medicine makes frequent use of Astragalus for bodily cleansing and liver support. Astragalus has hepatoprotective effects, which means it can help shield the liver from injury and increase its capacity to detoxify toxins, according to a review in Hepatology Research. Let us quickly review some important scientific research supporting the advantages of Astragalus. Astragalus greatly increases immunological responses by raising macrophage activity and boosting antibody synthesis, according to a study reported in Phytotherapy Research. Studies in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine shown that astragalus helps lower inflammation in respiratory disorders, including chronic bronchitis and asthma. Studies in the Journal of Clinical Cardiology indicate that astragalus helps people with cardiovascular disease improve cardiac function and reduces blood pressure. Now that we have discussed the amazing advantages of astragalus, let's discuss how you may use it into your daily life. Though you can also find astragalus as a powder, tincture, or capsule, it is most usually available in China in its dried root form. Here are several classic methods of cooking it. Astragalus tea. In China, this is among the most conventional methods of ingesting astragalus. You may quickly make it right at home. In 3 cups of water, boil 5 to 10 grams of dried astragalus root for 10 to 15 minutes. Stretch and have fun. For further taste and health advantages, add ginger or honey. Soup from astragalus. Astragalus is a common ingredient in Chinese cuisine, particularly in soups meant for the colder months. It goes nicely with chicken, mushrooms, and ginger among herbs. Making a basic astragalus soup is as follows. To your preferred soup or bone broth, add fresh or dried astragalus root. To draw all the nutrients from the root, let it stew for at least 1 hour. Remove the slices of astragalus before presenting the soup. Powder astragalus. Astragalus powder can be bought and blended into smoothies, drinks, or even congee, a classic Chinese rice porridge. Usually, a teaspoon every day will provide the advantages. What then do you have waiting for? Try astragalus and see personally the advantages. Astragalus is a gift from nature, a heritage, a scientifically supported superfood, not only a herb. This age-old cure has something for everyone, whether your goal is to assist your heart, increase immunity, or just feel more energized. Although most people consider astragalus to be generally safe, before beginning any new herb, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or have a medical condition, always see a healthcare provider or traditional Chinese medicine practitioner. To guarantee astragalus is free from pesticides and toxins, also be sure you buy it from a reliable source. I appreciate you seeing. If you like this video, kindly thumbs up, subscribe for further health advice, and activate the notification bell to never miss out. See you next time.